Okay, so we will be looking at this problem on Leetcode. Count the number of vowel strings in range. Okay. In this problem, the question is that we need to find all those words in an array that start and end with vowels. Vowels being A, E, I, O, and U. And we are given a left index and a right index. So this index is basically for this array words. Over here, let's take this example. We have this array of which contains three words R, Amy, and E. We have given two parameters, left which is 0 and right which is 2. So basically left means the zeroth index. I mean 0 means the zeroth index and 2 means the second index, and both has to be inclusive. So we need to start from zeroth index, so 0, and end at the second index 1 and 2. And in this we have to check whether the first character and the last character is a vowel. If it is a vowel, then we need to increment, we need to have a count, and we need to find out all those applicable counts. So over here the answer is 2 because A and E in the word are vowels. So this is 1, and then over here Y is not a vowel, so this will not be included. Over here U starts with a vowel and ends with a vowel, so this will be included. Okay, so this is what my approach is. I want to first have a lookup object so that I can easily look for the vowels. So let's say const lookup equal to, it consists of a key which is a string and a boolean which is of true or false, which consists of A, which is true, B, A, E. We want all the vowels over here. I, E, I, O, and U. Now I will use a for loop. So for let I go to, we have to start from left. We have to end at right, and it should be part of the array, the for loop. I plus plus. I will store the word in an variable. So let word equal to words of I. Words being the array that we are providing over here in our function. Okay, now I will check if lookup of word of 0. So the zeroth character is true, and lookup of word of word dot length minus, and the last character, let me correct the spelling, is true. Then we need to increase our count. So we'll have to store a count over here outside the for loop. Let count equal to 0, and then we will return the count. Okay, so we used a lookup object. Why? Because we wanted to check whether the word starts and ends with vowels. We could have also used if lookup of 0, I mean if word of 0 is equal to A, or word of 0 is equal to E, or word of 0 is equal to I, followed by if the last character of the word is equal to A. So that would have been a big if statement. So I've used a object over here. This would just look in this object and return true if the word matches. So let me run this program. Okay, so both the test cases are accepted. Let me submit this. This is an easy problem. Okay, so the runtime is like 101 milliseconds. It always changes Sometimes it was earlier in my first attempt it was 80 milliseconds. So that is fine, and the answer is accepted.